Hey y'all, you guys know how I showed y'all the Sally Hansen glow in the dark polish in CVS. I had to run back up to CVS today, so I'm going in the same CVS that I showed you guys on the video, and I'm afraid they're not going to have any left, but I'm about to run in here and go check. Fingers crossed that I can find at least one of the 2 or 3 that I saw, those glow in the darks. I want to grab the pink one. So I'm hoping that I can find it. So let's go in here really quick and see if they have it. Okay, so when I first walked in, I seen this Gifts by Essie display. The colors that they had on this display were colors that I know that they've had already. So I don't know if any of these were new colors. If you guys spotted a new one, let me know, because I think all of those are old colors they've already had. I took a peek over there at the LA Girls. You can see they bought a lot of those colors up. I was going to get the neon green, but it looks so thin to me. When I opened it to check the formula, I put it back. I've been really interested in these Nailtopias. They're so cute, and I meant to open it to see exactly how the brush was on these, because that top, it looks like a dropper top. So yeah, I've been curious to know what that brush looks like. So I spotted one of the LA Girls behind this, and it was the only one that was left, so I'm sure someone hid it, so I put it back, so if they come back for it later, it'll be there waiting for them. I know how it is. I've done it a few times. So I think I want to get this soon. It's for thin nails that bend and crack, and this one is for dehydrated brittle nails. My nails meet all of those qualifications, but it's $9.99 for those kits, so I may pick that up next time. How beautiful is that blue? It's called Not Your Basic Blue. It was so pretty. I don't remember seeing that color. I feel like it's new, but I'm not sure. They always have this glow in the dark top coat, perfect for Halloween, so if y'all want to go run and pick that up, it's $2.99. So if any of y'all remember the old Paparazzis that came in those round bottles and the smell was terrible, you don't have to worry about it with these new bottle Paparazzis. They don't smell, and they are now vegan and gluten-free, even though we're not eating them. But I'm assuming that's why they smell a lot better now, and the formula is much better too. They used to be super thick. So yeah, if y'all remember them old Paparazzis, thumbs up or comment below. They were terrible. I still have some. I need to get rid of them. So this is that beautiful color that I had on my nails in one of my recent videos called Watermelon Pop. It's a must-have. Y'all, they had piggy paint nail polish here. I'm gonna drop it. There we go. I usually only see piggy paint in Sally Beauty Supply and Target. So they had 3 different sets with 3 different colors in each. I've never tried piggy paint. I've always wanted to. So if you guys have, let me know in the comments what you think about it. These OPI glitters were really hard not to get. A lot of colors for me was really hard not to get, y'all. Let me tell y'all, because back in the day, I would pick up every single color that I saw that I liked. I'd be at the cash register with 30 of them. But I'm trying to back off because I probably have a similar match to every single color, 2, 3, 4 of them, you know. So I'm trying to chill out, but those glitters were really pretty. Okay, so finally I'm making my way back to the Sally Hansen glow in the dark display, and they only had this one left, and I have so many glow in the dark toppers. They all look the same, so I didn't want that one. I wanted the pink one. So I was looking around to see if someone set one somewhere or if they had more somewhere, and I looked over here and I didn't see any over here, and I was like, darn it, I should have just got it that day. So yeah, I'm gonna continue to look and see if I can find them. So over here is their other paparazzi display with the white tops and the silver dots. These ones are $4.99. The ones with the black tops are $2.99. So I recently put this on my Amazon list. They had the OPI Pro Spa Skincare Hands and Feet for Nails and Cuticle Oil. It was $15.99, which is a bit costly. I think it's the same price on Amazon, which is why I added it to my list. I'm hoping that they go down in price, but I did recently just see that. I believe it's new. Okay, so over here, I made my way to the back to the front of the store. I didn't see this, but this was just above that Essie collection that I was showing you guys, and I just thought it was kind of neat. It's a roll-on lip gloss infused with real flavors, it says, and they all were vanilla scented. They all have the different zodiac signs and symbols on them, and they each have like a different stone, I guess, that's in it. I'm not sure, or some of them had like some bubble looking stuff. I don't know, but they all looked really cool. If you haven't noticed, all the ones that I picked up are Taurus because my birthday is May 20th. So if I have any Tauruses in the house, leave a Taurus emoji in the comments. Over by the Halloween candy, I spotted a Kiss display. It had some nail art stickers, these cute press-on nails, and some like nail wraps. They were called Mani Pops, and that was about it. And that's all, folks. Thanks for watching.